Hi, I'm Gwen, and every week I'll be giving you an ymadrodd yr wythnos, a phrase of the week.
Our ymadrodd yn y wythnos is...
Pryd mae'r penblwydd di?
We can answer this by saying...
Mae fy penblwydd I ydi.
We can finish this by adding the month and the number.
For example, 20 Mehefin.
We can extend this by saying how old you are.
Dwi'n 10 oed.